In this video, we'll walk through how to use Mustr to send out a recurring reminder/check-in to service members about the new PT standards. First, open the AOK app and use the navigation menu in the top left corner to go to Messages. Once you're there, tap the message icon in the bottom right corner. For this scenario, the best option is a request for information, also known as an RFI, since we're looking to collect responses from service members. Start by adding a subject line. This is important because the subject appears in the text message that non-app users receive, helping them understand what the message is about even if they can't open it through the secure link. Next, add your questions. Your first question should confirm whether PT was completed. A simple yes or no question works well here, such as, "Did you do your PT today?" You can also allow an NA option, and if you'd like, you can enable email notifications when someone answers no. You can then add a follow-up question for more detail, like, "Where did you do PT today?" This question can be set as multiple choice if you have designated PT locations, or as freeform if you want service members to input their location. Another helpful follow-up question could be, "If you did not do PT, do you have an exemption?" You can even add one more question requesting documentation. Select File Upload as the question type, and use a question like, "If you have an exemption, upload the approval paperwork." Once you're satisfied with the questions in your RFI Mustr, it's time to assign recipients. Since this message is meant for all service members in the command, select All Hands. This will send the Mustr to everyone in the command. Next, set the urgency. You can choose urgent or non-urgent. Keep in mind that urgent messages appear in red in the inbox. If you don't want to manually send this Mustr every day, you can make it recurring. To do that, tap the schedule button in the bottom left corner of the message. Choose your start date and time. For this example, we'll select January 26, 2026. Set a time, then tap OK. This will take you to the scheduling page. From there, tap the current schedule and set it to recurring daily. Then add an end date. If you want to set an end date far in the future, tap the month and year in the top left corner to view all months. For this example, select December 31st, 2026. Finally, confirm your time zone and tap Done. Do one final review, and when everything looks good, tap Next. Since this message includes multiple questions, you'll have the option to rearrange their order if needed. When you're finished, tap Schedule. You can find your scheduled message in the Scheduled tab. Once the message has been sent, it will appear in your inbox. Tap on it to review your team's responses. From here, you can generate an AI summary, filter responses by team. To filter by team, tap Team Filter in the top right corner. See who has answered, who hasn't, and view any delivery errors. If you need to export a summary of all responses, scroll to the bottom of the message details and tap Send Report. The report will be emailed to you as an Excel file. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help.